Good morning. Welcome to my screen this Sunday morning. And I just want to, yeah, take you guys down to my screen to see and the Dapo Willis strategy on smaller time frame. You know, this strategy can work even on 15 minutes, even 5 minutes, 1 minute, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 4 hours as well. Yeah. So based on this strategy, we're supposed to have, after the break of this trend line, we're supposed to have a full body bullish candle standing above the trend line. Then we get into the trade, and our stop loss will be here. Get into trade here, our stop loss here. But as you can see, this is my entry, this is my stop loss. Let me come down to one hour so that I see. This is my entry, this is my stop loss. Initially, this was supposed to be my entry, then my stop loss. But no, I'm just trying to flip this account, so I can't come down to this level to put my stop loss. How much? By the time the market trades down to even displace my account to run and look at my account balance, I just have 4.83 cents in my account. That's my account. So based on flipping, I've tried it and it worked out. You understand? Because I carried this account from $1. Yeah, that was about $1, $1 something cents. Yes. So I was able to flip it. I've made some withdrawals as well and done some other things, done so many things with the. Yeah, I've made withdrawals, I've made losses, I've made withdrawals, but here, this I am so far. So, after that, you're supposed to take your first profit as swing at 100 level Fibonacci retracement, which is here, which is this my first take profit. Yeah, after this, I'm gonna look for another opportunity to bank in. Then let me take you down to V25. Yeah, so based on V25, let me string my. So initially, this neckline, which you have this red line, this red line you see, is supposed to break, come back and retest before getting. Then, if you come down to 1 hour, it has already broken the trend line I drew. But what is there is that after the close of this 1 hour candle, I'll not be able to get into the market. I had to wait for 4 hours. It has broken it, but it has to be full. So you could see that before this 4 hour candle close, it will go above this is a support level that I've drawn. You understand? It will be above the support level. Then when you come and test it, will be now a resistance level, based on his strategy. When a support level is broken and retested, it becomes a resistance zone as well as a resistance zone being broken and retested. Come back and test where the market is going, become a support level. So my eyes on this. I was in this trade. I just guys roll out to respect the thing. I was in this trade based on my aggressive trading stuff. This is here was my stop loss. I took this trade from here all the way to here. I was able to bank about $2, $2. I'm just waiting for the trade to come in. Like yesterday I was in here, I was able to make some withdrawals. This was I said, if this trade break down here, I retest this zone, I'll get in. If it comes back, but my overall this thing was a buying trade, because if you go down to, based on analysis, if you go down to daily or even monthly, weekly, it shows that this is a bullish trend. It has retraced, come back. I've even used my this thing, my Fibonacci, so that I see where I'm still trying to. Where's my Fibonacci? Yo. Based on my painting, I'll be able to just see what I'm gonna draw very well. Whoa. So I'm trying to get some zone cleaned. So the market was in between. The market, as you can see, touches the 50 retracement and was ready to bounce back. But the main point is that you could see that the retracement has even touched between the 60.6.18, 1.8 retracement zone, which is preferable on Fibonacci, and you can see the 50 has been touched, so the market is ready to move back. Doom. So guys, I was in this trade. Let me go back to it now. I was in this trade after a broken test, after the trend line was broken. Here, it was broken. I was in. I cashed out down to this place. I took out my profit. I was here, yeah. And when I saw this bullish candle formed close in red, I took out my profit out. I waited for it to retrace, come back, and this zigzag stuff. And I've put on this trend line to come to. If you break this trend line, but that will be on 4 hours candle close, then guys, I'll still be in for another one. But my overall target is this. Is here. Why the market is gonna move way more than that. I believe, based on my top-down analysis, the market is gonna come here before any retracement down to test this zone, to test this level, before I'll say up. But I believe for now, that's it. That's my take on that. Then guys, whoa. V75 index. Yesterday, I was able to milk this market. My bias showed that although this is a bullish trend, yeah, this is a bullish trend. As you can see, let me bring this so that I can be able to, let me use an arrow. As you can see, I believe this is a double bottom. this first touch, second touch. These are monthly. Where this trend line, so this line, this zone supposed to come across to this side. I just put it here. As you can see, this level and that level and that one. This one's drawn based on weekly. Weekly, guys. I'm still learning, so judge me later. So I believe this market is gonna move from this zone. We're gonna come here before any other thing gonna happen. But if I'm going to readjust this zone very well, let me see. It will be fair if this zone is here. It will be fair. It will be more fair. Guys, I'll adjust this on. Okay. Yes. And these two. I'm gonna adjust it to accommodate this other zone across. Whoa, what's up? Yes. Then I'm going to delete this zone out. So now we have this zone, this zone, this zone, and this. But if you go back to 15 a weekly time frame, so you see a zone here, but that would be a minor zone. But not so far so good. This is V75. There are some pairs that, man, they're just somehow. Let's go back to so I was telling you guys, as you can see, my zone fall in line. They fall in line. So what am I going to do now? The market has come here. Let me bring my arrow. You notice that the zone I drew, this one, fall in line, this fall in line, this fall in line. It says touches other levels too, where price tested them before in the past. This has fallen in line as well. So you can see that market tested here, this zone here, yes, here, and here. So what am I going to do now? So I'm going to have another zone. There will be a minor zone. This red is when I want to take it. I'm going to change it to yellow. Yeah. So let's make it down to the past, to the present, the future. Yeah, perfect. So let's change the color to yellow. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's perfect. So now, as you can see, this zone is just a minor zone compared to these ones. Perfect. If I can take it down to the past, you can also touch it. But let's leave it where it is. So this V75, guys, my bias on this is that this market is gonna go north. Gonna move from this zone, break here, maybe probably retest, and move to this zone. We'll get to this zone. My overall target is, if this market successfully break out of this zone, we're heading here. Yeah, we're heading here. That's top-down analysis for you. So if I should bring the trend line on this, let me see. we're still trading below the trend line on weekly. Touch it like that. No. Yeah. We haven't broken this trend line. The price still down. You can see. Let's try to break it, but it's still closed down below. So I'm still trading, but why you can see this on this smaller weekly candle that is forming, it's just a kind of retracement to come down before going south. I am not, but for now it's going south, but that's not the issue. So guys, let's check the daily. So as of time I was in this trade, yeah, where's my arrow? As the time I was in this trade from here, I said this retracement is gonna come down to this level, this green line, before push out. But some people, I'm not supposed to trade this based on like retracement and all that, because this is a retracement. You understand? This is a retracement. But I just decided to catch some pips. This morning too, I was in catch some pips on the 75 index. So here, if you wanna sell this market, here is the target, this zone, this green zone here is the target before we move to the north. Let's go down to 4 hours. What's up with this, man? What's up? Let me delete it and get it here. So yeah, this was the analysis. You can see clearly here on the 4-hour chart. So after this forming ranging stuff up and down, this is a neckline. This red zone is a neckline. So my analysis was that if we're able to break out of this neckline and full candle close on 4 hour, we're gonna sell down to this south, to this zone, before pulling up to the north. I now drew this trend line in case this trade failed to break this neckline, go up, break the trend line, close above it with 4-hour bullish candle close, then we're gonna head north. But don't forget, the overall trend of this market is bullish. All what is happening is just retracement. So when you measure from the start, this double top here, come down to the neckline, you could see that it's the same thing from here to here. So normally, basically, if a market range like this, form a double top and range like this, break out of the neckline, it's gonna give the same amount of pips it accumulated here. So measure it from top to the neck, then from the neck to the bottom here. That's where the market is gonna come and pull back. You got it? Nganya. Yo, so is BJFX on the line, and we're still learning. I'm just trying to give you guys the update on how to trade this. We're just still learning, but I'm not gonna enter this market for sale. I'm gonna wait for this market to come down to this level. give me what they want to give me. Then I'll extend my trend line down. By the time this market come back and break this trend line, full bullish candle close on 4 hour, then I'm gonna long for this market. So guys, that's on V75. I'm gonna do other analysis. This, I don't want this video to be long. I'm just using my phone to do this. I don't want to show my face for now. Yeah, you understand. So we have done V75. V50 is there, V25, and let's go back to V10. I was able to milk this market. I made a lot of pips from here down to this zone. This is my counter trend line. Let me turn my phone so that I can be able to see me clearly. I'm not gonna buy this market until this market come and break this trend line, probably retest this level, then we'll head to the north. For now, we are down south. It's on 4 hours. So the prediction was that this market is gonna come. See the neckline? I like using red for the neckline. You understand? We're gonna come here, break this neckline, then 4 hour candle close down, bullish, bearish. Then I'm gonna short this market. But something happened. I entered this here to sell down. I was able to make some profit, pips. I grabbed some pips here. You understand? But you could see that it broke the neckline, close below the neckline. But the next candle, I wanted it to come on full body candle break, like full down. Then I'll be in this market and set down. Let's go back to weekly. You see, it's tiny. Then I'll move from here down to this yellow zone. To this green line. This my major full target. Then from here we can wait out. If we're able to successfully break here, we're coming down to this place. But I doubt. I believe you're gonna move from this zone. If you break this zone successfully, we're coming down here. Then from here, probably here, they are heading up north. You understand? So I have so many drawings on this, but these are my levels on V10. I love trading V10, but let's see. So this market, I refuse to sell for this market, though it's a downtrend. The market is trending down, but I'm still watching. You can see that on the 1 hour, candle. I was still testing. Came back, I tested this neckline, but it's not enough for me. I don't think this has happened on 4 hours. Then I can say that I will go into this market based on my flipping account. My stop loss will be here. You understand? Normally it's supposed to be here, above this neckline, but based on small accounts now, I'm just trying to flip this account. We'll enter this trade. Then our stop loss will be here. Then we'll head down, to get there. But I was still watching. If this candle close, bearish, then we're gonna go into this market. So guys, it's your boy BGFX again. You can call me the Honorable Trader. So that's all for now, guys. That's all for now. All right. So very soon we'll be getting everything done accordingly. Thanks.